Hi! In this video, we will have a look at how we can export and import flows from our flow builder and how it all works. I'll just assume that we're already familiar with what a flow is and how we can create them. If this is not the case, feel free to watch the dedicated video about it in our Shopware Academy. To sum it all up briefly, flows are the basis of automating our business processes within Shopware 6. Based on triggers like an order was placed or customers registered themselves, we can define actions which Shopware is supposed to execute. We can use flow sharing to export these flows or import them. This means that we can use this feature to copy flows from one system to another. For example, from our staging environment to our live system. Or we could simply export them to use as a template or create a backup. This feature is available to us for all paid plans, starting with Rise. But enough talk, let's have a look at the feature itself. We start in our Flow Builder, which we can find in Settings, Flow Builder. I already created two flows ahead of time. The first one, Custom Register Themselves, tags all new customers with the No Order Placed tag. The second one, Customer has more than one order, deletes that tag again upon placing an order. Let's assume that this is a staging system and we want to export this flow to our live system. We can do that by clicking on the three-dot menu here and select Download. In this example, we now receive an explanation that the flow will export practically everything and missing data in the target system will be created accordingly. Worth mentioning at this point is that we have a mail template included in our flow. The option here allows us to choose whether we want that mail template exported along with our flow as well. This means that we don't have to create the mail template in our target system again. If we now click on Download Flow, we will receive a JSON file. Let's have a quick look at it. Technically inclined viewers might notice straight away that this includes all the data a flow in Shopware 6 commonly has. Naturally, we got the ID, the flow's name, its priority, its active state, and so forth. Scrolling further down, we also notice that all the data from the mail template is included as well. Now, let's just delete the flow via the three-dot menu. And it's gone. Next up, we'll upload the flow with the button up here, Upload Flow. As usual, we could do this via drag and drop. I want to select the file we just exported though, and thus click here. Finally, we confirm all of this with the button here, Upload Flow. Now we are presented with the flow itself and can check whether everything is alright or if we want to edit it in some way. This means we don't have to import the flow exactly like we exported it. This does look good, however, so we'll save it. As we can see, the flow was successfully imported and is back in our system. And basically, that's it already. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you next time.